Mom and Dad, can I please go see the fireworks tonight? No, Billy, you're not allowed because you're still grounded. But it's Independence Day and I really don't want to miss out on the fireworks. We said no. Now go back to your room. Guess what? I will be seeing the fireworks, although my mom and dad said no. The fireworks are going to start any time now. I can't wait. Billy, where have you been? Nowhere. No, tell us the truth or you will be in big trouble. I went to see the fireworks even after you told me not to. You are grounded for a whole year with no holidays for you. Bed.